mattress. I'm attempting to open it in this space. I might have to move the bed over. It's all one large big cake. That's how real moms do it. I had this in my hand the whole time. I'm not crazy, I swear. Whoa. Uh-oh. Ow. Yeah, watch out. You two look like you're having a romantic time over there.
Jumping spider! What are you doing?
So crumpled, I have to throw it in the dryer.
Don't worry.
Don't worry about how I look, but aside from us working on this guest room for the past 2 or 3 days, we've been low-key working on Caden's room. This used to be his room. We decided to put him downstairs in the basement, and we've been doing some minor construction down there. Not really minor, but I'm gonna go show you guys that right now. We're not fully done in here. We still need to change that to black, and I'm probably gonna take this out because this house barely has any windows. This is the best window, and this is the darkest shade, so if people want to sleep in, they can, but we don't get a lot of sunlight here. So you sleep when you're dead, okay? Come to my house, sleep when you're dead. All right, let's go check out Caden's room. What?
I want you to sleep when you're dead.
Sleep when you're dead. You don't need no shades in this house. Ready? Ready?
I'm not doing this, Mama.
Oh my goodness.
So, I know we all have a love-hate relationship with TikTok, but unfortunately I did find this idea off of TikTok. So if this was you, all the credit goes to you and all the blame goes to you. This was not easy to figure out. She gave no instructions, so whatever. Basically, these are 2 IKEA bookshelves and some beds, nailed, screwed, hinged together, and you just figure it the F out until it works.
Who has the coolest bed? Who?
Me.
You do.
Not Daddy.
Can you show me a tour of the bottom? Go inside, show me. Get the doggy in there. How cool. You got a fun little clubhouse to hang out with your buddies. And he wanted the Mario, Super Mario print, so I did that all in there for him. We also have foam, so if he hits his head, it won't hurt too hard. I just kind of stapled it all across. Not the prettiest job, but when you look back, get off of me.
Well, I made this, Mama. I made this.
This is how it came out. And then he has his toys in here. He has to store his big toys. He has costumes, little toys. We're doing his art easel right there with his bookcase. Go away! And then he has more toys out here.
You're not going away, Mama.
I know. He has more toys out here, and then he has all of his clothes. So these are still accessible, and then we're going to see if we put something inside for a wall in here, but we'll see. We'll see. Then we just have this janky ladder that we've been using for painting, but it fits perfectly here and goes right in and like hits the bed basically.
Let me show you.
Oh yeah, show us. 1, 2, 3, hop on. You might need to move these pillows a little bit, huh? Like,
What we do?
yeah, like go to the corner. There you go, so you have more space. That's okay, right there.
Okay.
That way you have space to sit here, always. Okay, how you get down? Show us how you sleep. Go ahead, show us how you sleep.
Let me do a bed.
Who has the coolest room? Ready? Let's turn the light off. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is cool. Dinosaur. Can I come in your clubhouse? Move! Move! I got a big butt. Kill me. Kill me.
Ow!
Kill me. Kill me. Just kill me. Just kill me.
Mommy.
Sit back so I can see both of us. Cuddle time.
Time. But Daddy, I ate creepy.
Can you kiss for all the hard work? Can I just say I've never had this cool room, not even close. So I think we're some good parents, huh? Who's got the best mommy and daddy?
Are you recording?
I'm recording.
Huh?
I'm recording.
Let's see.